How to redeem birthday drink at Starbucks. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem birthday drink at Starbucks. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. As a Starbucks Rewards member, you may be eligible for birthday rewards. On your birthday, as indicated in your Starbucks Rewards account, you will receive firstly a complimentary handcrafted beverage or one complimentary food item. You will also receive a ready-to-drink bottled beverage, which is the birthday reward. Your birthday reward may be redeemed at participating Starbucks stores only and excludes items such as multi-serve food or beverage items, for example, a tray of cranberry bliss bars or a coffee traveler. Beverages that contain alcohol, merchandise, and packaged coffee, and items available at Starbucks Roastery and Princey locations. Now, to qualify for your birthday reward, you must join Starbucks Rewards at least 7 days prior to your birthday. Provide your birthday and your account information and make at least one star earning transaction prior to your birthday each year. Your birthday reward will be automatically added to your account on your birthday and is only valid on that particular date. You must scan the member barcode in the app or present your registered Starbucks card in order to redeem your birthday reward. You can check to see if your birthday reward is available by accessing your account on www.starbucks.com/account or in the Starbucks app itself. So, this is how you can redeem birthday drink at Starbucks. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.